United Democratic Front of Sarupatar convenes special meeting of advisory board. Nili BJP Mandal Committee conduct training workshop. All Bokatan ex-militant cadre union holds first meet.
Yashvir Sofa Store. Bangso store along nang litum longigji, mesen na sofa. An chot kalisi, an namjum hek penta longigji. Nang litum an ning hang a design, a teng pen kasi margin ning hang do setame, bangso Yashvir Sofa Store along pen longigji. Lapen an parta, hema long kahinotang sofa, puthot kasi mar mate repairing our size ita longigji. Kahumri nang jiadim lake Yashvir Sofa Store, Dokmoka Forest IB at Hengno. Klarda kachini jiapan 8459492372 Lapenke 86381-48114 along Humri Lote Long Igji.
Hello and good morning. You're watching KAL Live English Prime Time. The United Democratic Front of Sarupatar had on Saturday called a meeting of all its conveners and members of advisory board. The meeting was held at Langchithing under Sarupatar constituency. Here is a report. The newly formed political organization is confident of their good performance in the upcoming MSc elections. The meeting called on Saturday was particularly meant to discuss strategies for the elections. The meeting was supervised by United Democratic Front of Sarupatar leader Simeon Rongpar and attended by many other of his supporters. It may be mentioned that Union Democratic Front of Sarupatar have been recently formed by the locals of Sarupatar as a sign of dissatisfaction over the present MSc, along with the ADF of Amri and the NDF of Nilip. The UDPS is the third local political group planning to contest in the upcoming KAL Autonomous Council elections. Subhas Terang's report from Langchithing, KAL Live. Nili BJP Mandal Committee conducted one-day training workshop for the page in charge ahead of upcoming council election at Nili BJP Mandal Committee office premise on Saturday. Here is a report sent to us by our correspondent. Local MSc Pavitra Rongpi, while addressing the gathering, appealed his supporters to work wholeheartedly for the BJP party and ensure the victory. Former KSA President Bijoy Bey asked the attendees to remain with the Bharatiya Janata Party so that people will vote for transformation in order to development of Nilip and the rest of the district. He also revealed that he was seeking for party ticket for Nilip.
Lapenke ki ongdung gitu award spend ki rangji earning gitu BJP asam bante pai bante tunda chisik lo lapenke kapre alam ason attack sin itu karbiang lo jehetu amar honorable CM Dr. Turam Longhang jeneko teket eta able leadership tehat leading loi pela jitu karbiang long tha ensil sort ba huge area karone উন্নতিৰ শিক্ষক যেনেকৈ তেখেতে লৈ গৈছে সেই এক্সাম্পল বিলাক কোথাও আমি ইয়াত পাইছো আৰু ডক্টৰ নুমল মুমিন যেনেকৈ ওয়ান অফ দ্য বেষ্ট যেটো এমএলএ আমাৰ ইন দ্য হিষ্ট্ৰী অফ কাৰ্বি আংলং এভাৰ তেখেতৰ কোথাও আমি এটা আইডল হিচাপে লৈ আজি আমাৰ পৃষ্ঠাসমূহ যেটো মেম্বাৰসকলৰ পৰা আমি কথা পাতিছো।
The training of more than 25 booth-level Bharatiya Janata Party workers and Pana Pramukh in charge for every page of the electoral roll, which started in yesterday morning, was chaired by Nili BJP Mandal Committee President Bapuram Teron, while BJP Mandal Committee Secretary Rilipson Teron welcomed the gathering. During the workshop, the booth workers were trained on ways to approach voters and explain the schemes and achievement of the state government.
Mondol Sahemalong, BJP Mondol Sahemalong, Putot ini Nili Balong 355 page in church mate Prista Pramukh atum phan pangrum CPD Pristha Pramukh Sonmilon Bipono Silitum laso Pristha Pramukh Sonmilon kibi athege lahelo non itum nilibolong organization mate BJP organization BJP parent body mohila morsa lapen morsa lapen booth level booth committee booth bahini doan organization Jepang tangi pan itum labang so Sonmilon Bipono kasi itum nilip along total 355 page insert do kasi la page insert to ham pini dakan phasi alam campaign meeting dolo lapen non kivangji election na ho declare ponai lapen BJP ideology mukha adon damsi kachit hangje pan kapachit hangje pan lapen non BJP sarkar pen declare bomb development katuk kawi lahaya lam kithan ponji phanitum paging search tumpen pini kithan pono lapen itu mesen ben labang sotini program pacun wanong
Nili BLCC Chairman Winston Ronghang, Mohan Singh Theron, Mary Timungpi, local BJP committee presidents, secretaries, Shakti Kendra in charge, Morcha leaders and Karyakartas were among those attending the workshop. Samson Ingtis report from Koilamati, Karbi Anglong Live. The All Bokajan ex-militant cadre union convened their first ever meeting under the chairmanship of All Bokajan ex-militant cadre union president Andrew Rongpi at Hanjang Langso PWDIB on Saturday. During the meeting, the All Bokajan ex-militant cadre union members chalk out plans for exploring self-employment avenues since they had now come to the mainstream. They also discussed various issues and unanimously resolved to work together under the umbrella of All Bokajan ex-militants cadre union in the coming days. Speaking at the occasion, Chief Guest of CASA Joint Secretary Babu Inti urged the Surrender Arms Group's cadres to devote their energy as a strong force for development of the society. He said that the youth who join the mainstream have the ability and will be the important catalyst for the district march towards progress, and the government's support in this regard would surely give them renewed impetus.
Plus, along with it, I take Sakuri claim it and qualified to my Sakuri important channel for Hang Pamina. I take only to have the contract and a Pamina.
He also revealed about the fulfillment of the promise made by Central State Council government and the ex-cadres to register themselves and engage in contract work to support themselves and families.
All Bokajan ex-militant cadre union nirtum kedampang tarik thongkep ani nirtum song mahang pathai pondo lapen pini laso first executive meeting lo lapen get together ta kedupan lo labangso nirtum first executive meeting lapen get together kaching room kok athepi lapuhan lo nirtum peace and unity nirtum kedar satum an donangji for main pen lo nirtum laso cadres union iltum centrally song trok atumta committee dolo hala tum fan iltum against fan kali alang li tum along li tum kai ke ta chirap dun doji iltum ken athepi lake rat pen isi kemisen mane kedo thekji fansi heaven sivason korte injir ason kache kam kedo thekji fansi iltum so song amang pathai pano lapen ma pano.
Local KSYC Committee President Phubong Timung, former KPLT leader Mensing Tokbi, KL NLF cadre Angthik Singnar and Sanjit Rongphar were among the noted guests attending the meeting. Anantaram's report from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that is all we have with us for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.